There's one thing that's worse than procrastinating, and it's actually not knowing that you're procrastinating. Here's 10 phrases or words that you need to watch out. Whenever you find yourself saying those to yourself, just know that you're actually procrastinating. Number one, I will do it tomorrow. Right now, I told myself, Dawn, it's too late. This is 23 in the night. I want to go sleep, but then I was like, you know what? I need to get this off my chest. So instead of me waiting for saying I will do it tomorrow, I just decided to do it now, and then I'll go sleep afterwards. Number two, I don't have the time. There's always time. If it's important to you, you're going to find the time to do it, and you will have to do it. You just have to do it. If it's important to you, you have to find the time. Number three, I am too busy. Same as time. There's no way you can be too busy for something that's important to you. That's why you should always make sure that you do things that are important to you, so that you find the joy in the process in making the thing and making it happen. Number four, I don't have a chance. You can blame yourself to say, maybe I'm too late, it's too late, I don't have a chance, I'm this old, I should have started it when I was that old. It really doesn't work like that. Whenever you want to chase or pursue something, it's never too late. Colonel Sanders only got a eureka moment with KFC, and it ended up being a buzz when he was already in his late 60s. So it's never too late. You can still get what you're looking for. He's just too lucky. She's just too lucky. There's nothing like luck, guys. People are putting in work. And here's what luck actually is. Luck is preparation meeting opportunity. That's what luck is. If you prepare for something, let's say a marathon, you've been running and training for over 6 months. Then a marathon in your neighborhood or in your location comes up and you apply and you actually run and win. Were you lucky? No, you prepared. Alright? The person who's actually practicing and learning and growing stands a better chance of winning than the person who is actually not doing anything. Sorry guys, I keep on tapping this. I'm reading on my phone and my phone keeps on blacking out. I have no idea. But anyway, this video is being made regardless. I am too tired. Please, there's nothing like I am too tired. You can always do it. We're all too tired until it comes time to Netflix and chill. Then we can watch 4, 3, 4, 5 episodes or 2 movies or something like that. We're never too tired. We're just not motivated enough. You have to keep yourself motivated and keep on chasing and keep on going. That's the only way you will grow, or that's the only way you will get ahead. Alright? It'll probably start soon. This is the same as I don't have a chance or I'm too late. Like, there's nothing like it. Like, let's say this YouTube thing, right? YouTube has been in existence for a long time. Or Facebook. Some people are doing well. They've got huge followings and huge numbers. And when you look at those people already doing well and you start procrastinating, telling yourself that it's too late, I should just wait for the next buzz or TikTok or anything that will be popular like that, it's never too late. You can always catch up. You can always run your race and finish your race. The time isn't just right. There's never a right time for anything, guys. If you want to get started, the best time to get started is now. Don't wait for a better time. There will never be a better time. Get started right now and finish your thing. Alright? I just need to get organized. Yes, you do. Get organized right now. Tell yourself. So I have a trick that I use. If I'm procrastinating on starting something, I will tell myself, I don't feel like doing it, but let me just do it for 1 minute. That 1 minute usually turns into 2, usually turns into 3, usually turns into 4. And before you know it, I've gone a couple of minutes, a couple of hours on end. And that's how I get myself to do something that I don't want to do. And the last one is everything will work out even if I don't do it. Like, come on guys, don't tell yourself that. Everything will not work out if you don't do it. You have to be in a position where you set yourself to win. Make sure that you're working, you're pushing, you're doing. There's nothing like things will just fall in place. No, you have to make things happen. You have to move, you have to push, you have to actually, get the ball rolling. Alright, I hope these have helped you to stop procrastinating, or at least I start identify when you start procrastinating, so that you can take a different route. So please subscribe. This should just be me talking to you and trying to encourage you and also encourage myself, so we can both grow. Have a good day.